Well guys, we got an addition to the Stone Ridge homestead. Oh hush. This is Vernon. Alright guys, so I'll give you a little bit of backstory on Vernon that we got. He's a bull cow and eventually turned steered. He is a milking shorthorn breed, so he's not primarily a meat breed, but he seems like he's it seems like the breed is more meaty than some other breeds like Holsteins and Jerseys and stuff like that. Also possible is we're looking at getting another calf in the next couple weeks. We have one lined up. A cow is expected to give birth in the next 3 weeks, I think it is, and it'll be 3/4 Jersey and 1/4 Holstein. So hopefully it'll put out some decent butterfat milk. So if the calf is a heifer, then we'll get it. If not, then we won't, and we'll just be content with Vernon for now, I believe. The reason I got him today, there wasn't too much going on. Syrup season's basically still on hold. We're March 26th, I believe, and time is kind of ticking down. April 17th is the day that Jen goes in for surgery for her C-section, and that's when our little feller will arrive. And I wanted to get Vernon the bull, I wanted to get Vernon the calf settled in before we get close to that date, so things are a little bit of a routine and we can have a bit of a routine to follow. Hopefully the syrup season starts up soon because it's starting to run out of time. I'm debating whether or not to just shut her down at April 15th and call it a year. Hopefully we'll get some running before then and make it somewhat worth my time this year, but if not, that's life. Also, we got our new batch of laying hens arrived mid-May. We got 20 of them coming, so that'll be nice to get them started and get things rocking on the homestead. We also are considering getting meat birds, 100 or 200, we're not quite sure yet, but we're not sure. We have a fairly big few big projects that we need to get done this year. One we need to do is install a basement underneath the house, get that finished, and then after that we need to do some serious landscaping around here. And I don't know if we should probably consider just how many jobs we take on this year. I definitely won't be getting pigs this year. I don't have time for them. I'll need to build a little bit of a barn, lean-to sort of thing. Figure out another proper garage. And that'll pretty well take up most of my time this summer. Luckily most of the firewood's cut, so I don't have to worry about any of that work. And yeah. So hopefully that brings you a little up to speed. There won't be too many videos in the next little while here. Our main source of communication is internet. So I need to make sure that both of our internet is working so that we can communicate when Jen goes into the hospital for that. And yep. So anyways, that's another episode of Stone Ridge Homestead. Hopefully you enjoyed yourselves, and would love if you'd subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated. It really helps us grow, and that's kind of necessity.